Good morning mga langga! Ayan, today is January 2 and I just wake up 6 a.m. in the morning. And I feel so hungry even if I was in bed and then I just listening. I cannot sleep good. And my stomach is just like, oh, I'm so hungry. So I go down with him very early. Supposed to be not my time to wake up or to get up. So I am cooking. I have my bagoong. My favorite. We were at the Asian store yesterday. And then I have pancit canton. Ayan. We have meat. We have a lot, but I don't want to. It will take long time, so I will just have this pancit canton and bagoong. So I will prepare now and we'll eat soon. So I will prepare the pancit canton mga langga. Ayan. We just need to mix it. And this is spicy. So here is my pancit canton mga langga. Pancit canton and bagoong spicy. Yan. So let's eat now mga langga. Ayan, welcome back mga langga. We start eating now. Ayan. I have the rice and I like the rice because this is from, white and sticky and this rice is better than panda in the Philippines, really. Welcome back mga langga. I finished eating already. I finished eating with the pancit canton and bagoong. I'm still sleepy. My God, I did not sleep good. And it's 8. Time check is 8:10, but still very dark outside. That's why I still have the lights on. And now we're going to the bathroom to wash our face or my face mga langga. I'm using my new tripod that he ordered. I feel jet lag pa rin mga langga. So we're gonna wash our face and renovate our face. I-renovate na ito itong face mga langga. Dahil mura na manigi. Kagi. Ano mura water? Ano kain? Wash. So this is how I make it. No, make it really. Go live. I will try because my phone is almost low bat. And then still dark outside. Still dark outside mga langga.